You've heard the phrase, it takes money to make money, right? Well, imagine if I told you that using other people's money, aka leveraging debt, can accelerate your wealth building journey. Intrigued? Let's break it down. Good debt involves borrowing strategically to invest in appreciating assets like real estate or businesses. Here's the genius part, the income generated by these assets often exceeds the cost of borrowing. This means you're not only building wealth but potentially doing it with little to no money out of your pocket. Let's say you borrowed $10,000 for a cool business idea, and your business made $15,000. You're up $5,000. But guess what? You don't pay taxes on that borrowed $10,000. So, you're only taxed on $5,000. That's less money going to the tax folks and more staying with you. So, whether you're eyeing real estate, businesses, or other income-generating assets, using strategic debt can be your secret weapon to turbocharge your wealth journey while legally cutting your tax bill. Remember, knowledge is power, but applying that knowledge is where the real magic happens. Hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned for more insights on mastering the art of wealth creation.